We're going on our first open water dive. Okay, take 2.
Very cool look.
So what was the update with that? Was she overheat? Previously on Searching for C-Shels.
We explored Freeport, found out we blew a head gasket, started our PADI Scuba certification, and discovered a new engine problem.
Problem with fuel pump.
Okay, the problem is a fuel injection pump. It has a lever inside the pump itself that jumps up and down on a spring kind of deal.
Yeah.
It moves the metering rod in the pump for the variation of fuel. What happened is it's stuck in the stop position.
See? Yeah.
Very good. See? Okay, that's
So,
what it does.
so when it's off, it keeps it down,
Yeah,
which in the shut off
when you
position.
shut it, it shut it off.
And then when you turn
When
it
you
on,
turn on,
it goes in, and then inside it's supposed to raise itself,
yeah.
and that's the open position.
Yeah, that's what it does.
Oh, nice.
Oh, did you learn something, Sheldon? I love it.
Yeah, for real? Thank you very much. I teach you.
Thank you, George. It was good. I think I was a little nervous maybe with the feel of the tank and the whole thing was, but I think I did okay. But
Did well.
our instructor was very, very, I think that we were supposed to go out on the ocean on the reef as well, like a bit of pool, doing a reef, an open dive, but I don't think they thought I was ready enough. Which was really great because then it makes me more confident in the
Yeah.
pool. Than,
Today would have been a lovely day.
but Cindy was,
Cindy was practicing.
I had to practice in the pool. Yeah, but it would have been spectacular, yeah.
Hey, look.
It's cat food though.
Yeah, unfortunately it's cat food. So, what happened there?
I fed the cat, I put some cat food out here.
On that bottle?
Yeah. And it's gone.
It's gone, so.
So it's where I spotted a little
There's some
kitty.
stray cats in here somewhere.
Yeah.
They're really, really timid.
Well, they're feral. They're very feral, yeah.
We were way up that road when they seen us and then jumped out into the woods. Cindy put some food there, so if we were here 2 months, maybe they'd be aboard the boat
Oh, I miss Spooks and Beauty.
in Great Harbor Key.
Can't
GoPro?
take them, can I, Sheldon?
No.
No. Because
No.
we can go back to Great Harbor Key, get the kitty.
Cindy, what would we do with a cat aboard the boat right now?
I'm not sure. They'd probably be climbing up the walls.
Yeah, exactly.
No.
Look at this.
Awesome.
What a way to end today.
And look at this. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Indescribable. It is.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
So we're heading for our second,
Well, no. First open water dive, we think.
we don't really know, but
The wind's blowing really bad.
really bad.
Offshore though, and it looks beautiful.
So we might get to go to the reef.
I
What is
see
it?
I see a dive boat out at the reef right now.
we're going on our first open water dive.
And that pre-dive safety check now.
That was great. Down, water hovering just like that, just like in space.
Lots of fish. We've seen lots of fish. The reef was really, really nice. We got back from our dive, and now we're going to start the engine.
Okay, take 2. So she is getting her water and 0 smoke.
Hear that? That's the sweet sound of a Caterpillar 3208 engine with no knock and no smoke. We are really happy, aren't we?
Oh, super exciting.
Soon gonna be on the go again.
How does it feel? Yeah, this is a good day. This is all one day. Engine running, dive certification, and to end off, just an amazing day. We're gonna go to a restaurant and sit out and eat for my birthday dinner. So 44 years old is pretty sweet. I cannot ask for anything better, you know? Engine working, seen lots of fish, I got certified. Oh, and now I'm gonna go eat some good food and sit out, and I just, yeah, I'm happy.
Beautiful life.
It's pretty nice, yeah. Enjoy it while you can, right? 44 was a good one.
About a thing.
Karaoke night at the Cat.
It's gonna be alright.
We're gonna go provision and check out Freeport, and hopefully then head out for another 3 months to the Exumas.
How do you feel about driving
Left onto East Sunrise Highway.
on this side of the road?
First time I've ever done it. This.
Slow down. We're in Ace Hardware in Freeport, and they have everything you can think of that you need, really. Yeah, there's not much that they don't have, and prices are great.
Is that it?
That's it. Let's go on and see what else is in Freeport.
Cost, right. This is the Costco. Just like shopping in Costco.
Same thing.
A little bit extra
Money.
but not crazy. $300 and we got, you know, a lot. Yeah.
Continue on Grand Bahama Highway for 18 kilometers.
Are you passing somebody and putting on your wipers? And why is that, Sean? Why would you? Why did you?
Light machine's on the wrong side of the wheel.
Okay, so since we've been having this car, he's put on the wipers that many times.
Oh yeah, perfectly clear sky. Wipers been on about 25 times.
Yeah, he puts the wipers on to like turn. $5 a person, and we have a map here. Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
Lucana? Lucaya.
Lucayan.
Lucaya.
Yeah, Lucayan.
Lucaya.
Now, your first time here?
Yes, it is.
And see a green sign.
Yeah.
Well, it's straight ahead.
Yep.
And 10 minutes we bring you back to the same point. On that
Okay.
trail, you find 2 kids. Wednesday.
Yes.
And very much. Okay. Then go Rock Beach. You go straight across the main highway.
Yep.
And you left across the bridge to go Rock Beach.
Perfect.
Okay, enjoy yourselves, huh?
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Awesome. We're on the road to Ben's Cave. The entrance to Ben's Cave was created when a portion of the cave roof collapsed. The clear pool that you will see is fresh water, which floats on top of lower salt water.
Very cool.
We have a couple of little bats. Yes. Hey, bats. Oh, look, there's a lot up here. Do you see them? They're just hanging. Gold Rock Beach. Hey, who did... This is where what? Gold Rock Beach is something.
Okay.
Is it the Pirates of the Caribbean that went to Gold Rock Beach, or is it 007?
No! We'll find out.
Gold Rock Beach is something. What are you doing? Looking for a little meal out of the garbage? Yeah? What's in there? Sorry. We're eager to get going though. We've been here a month.
This weekend though, the cruising weather's going to be like this.
Yeah, it's going to be flat, no winds.
We could get all the way to the Exumas in a couple days.
Yeah,
3 days.
yeah. And so it would be so awesome if this would just be it. We go back, we fill up with fuel, and then off we go. 3 months, Sheldon, of this, really, you know. So.
Pretty fun month.
Oh yeah, it's great. We had a great time. I can't say we did not. How is it? So what was the update with that? Was she overheating? No. So all is good?
The gauge might be off. She's holding here, she's not overheating.
Right.
But downstairs with the gun on, it's showing way lower than what this.
Yep.
Let her hold the wheel. Let her hold the wheel. You drive.
Me, drive.
Yeah. Just keep going straight.
Straight, okay.
Just keep going straight.
I can do it, George.
Yeah.
Sheldon's very eager. I mean, he just jumped out of bed and we're going. How exciting.
Hold on here, I get some back.
Are you excited? Even Knowles Marina this morning. They've been very, very good to us. Highly recommend it. If you have a problem in the Bahamas, just come to Freeport. And Charlton Knowles will take care of you. Staff is great. George was really good to us. If we ever need anything done again, we'll for sure be back. Great service. And now we're off. Exumas, take 2.
What does it take to feel this alive? Every day we're gonna try. What does it take to feel this alive? Chase down our fears till they're forced